All right, today we're gonna bring a nice beautiful scone. Now this scone has two lights, all right, for LED lights in the back and the front, two sides parallel to each other. There's three connections you should be worrying about: neutral, hot, and ground. That's pretty much it. Now when you get it out of the box, you can see that it has two covers. You can uncover them, all right? So if you don't want to have enough light, or maybe a different kind of triangle light, you can do that. And both of them are removable from both ends, and they pop in and they pop out, right? So today we're going to demonstrate this. Before you do that, just make sure you take out the back end part, and you do need a Phillips to take it out. Instructions are included. Let's put it together and see how it looks. All right, here's the final result. Here's the light. If you guys can see that, the top and the bottom, it does a little triangle, but you can take out the cap and it expands a little bit more. Take out the bottom one. Beautiful. So without the triangle, this is how it looks like. All right, so if you guys are looking for a nice beautiful entrance light, hallway, something that shines on both ends, and of course it comes with covers that you could set them up. Covers are easy to slide in there to give that triangle. You can see the bottom part. We're also going to do this one in the bottom.